Google just dropped a NotebookLM update that makes it much easier to organize client research and turn it into a repeatable content strategy system. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you the exact prompt structure that makes this output something clients actually pay for. Not rough ideas, but polished hooks they can post tomorrow. You're going to want to stick around for that. I'm Paul James. I spend most of my time showing solo operators how to build service businesses using free AI infrastructure instead of stacking monthly subscriptions before they've made their first dollar. If you drop a like and share this with someone who needs it, and if you're serious about turning tools like this into actual client income, I've got something for you. My course. The 435 mistake is normally $197. Right now, viewers of this video get it for under $30. It's linked in the description. That pricing is only there for people coming from this video, so grab it while it's showing. Drop a comment and let me know if you're heading over to take me up on that. I want to see who's in. Here's what most people don't talk about. If you're running social media services for local businesses, you've probably been told you need a content strategy platform, something that analyzes performance, identifies gaps, schedules posts, suggests hooks. Most tools doing this charge anywhere from $70 to $300 a month, and the pitch always sounds the same. You need this to be professional, to scale, to compete. I know what that pressure feels like. I was working out of my brother's garage trying to build something with no budget and no clients. A $200 monthly bill before the first invoice arrived was not something I could absorb. That's exactly why tools like NotebookLM matter. Google's NotebookLM turns into what I call the self-feeding strategy vault. Upload a client's website copy, blog posts, product descriptions, and other materials into one notebook. Then ask it to identify content gaps, generate social media ideas, and organize recommendations based on the information you provided. Every new source you add improves future responses, and the platform costs nothing. Most content strategy platforms lock this kind of ongoing analysis behind a paid plan. NotebookLM gives you the same mechanism for free, and it runs faster because it's not buried inside a dashboard built to upsell you. Here's how it works. Create a notebook for each client. Add their website copy, blog posts, product descriptions, testimonials, emails, and any other material that reflects their business. Everything becomes part of the same research library. Once the sources are loaded, ask NotebookLM to identify content gaps. Compare the client's current content against the questions their customers actually care about. The result is a prioritized list of topics they should cover next, but most people stop at gap analysis. Here's the part that actually makes this a service you can charge for. You can ask NotebookLM to generate social media hooks based on the client's voice and offerings. Not generic hooks that sound like them, tied to what they actually sell. And because it's pulling from real sources instead of inventing a persona, the output feels grounded. Think about what this means for someone offering social media management to local businesses. One session, upload the client's website copy, product descriptions, and a few past emails. NotebookLM maps their brand voice in under 5 minutes. You ask it for 20 social media hooks tied to seasonal angles or industry trends. It generates them using language that matches what the client already says to customers. That deliverable used to take half a day of research and drafting. With this stack, it takes an afternoon, and the tool costs nothing to run. That's a $250 content strategy package built on free infrastructure. Let's keep building. The system only works if you keep updating it. Every time a client publishes new content, add it to the notebook. That turns a one-time project into a recurring service. Here's the thing, that workflow works, but there's a version of it that runs 3 times faster, and almost nobody sets it up this way. Give me 60 seconds. The paid platforms handle source organization automatically because they're built around their own content management systems. When you're running this as a free stack, you need a lightweight tagging system, or it turns into chaos by month 2. Here's how you get it for free. Inside each NotebookLM notebook, label your sources by category in the file name before you upload. Website copy gets labeled web dash and then the page name. Blog content gets labeled blog dash and the post title. Product descriptions get labeled product dash and the item name. When you need to pull hooks for a specific angle, you can either tell it to focus on that prefix or just toggle the checkboxes in the sidebar to isolate those exact sources. That keeps the output tight instead of pulling from everything at once. Now let's talk about what you can actually charge for this. First angle, social media content creation. A yoga studio wants to post 3 times a week but has no idea what to say. You load their class descriptions and testimonials into NotebookLM. You ask it for 15 educational hooks about the benefits of different yoga styles framed in their voice. You deliver a month of captions in one sitting. They pay you $300. The alternative is hiring a copywriter at $50 an hour or subscribing to a content platform that costs them monthly before they've seen any return. Second angle, content gap audits. A local HVAC company publishes blog posts but gets no traction. You run their existing content through NotebookLM and ask it what topics their audience searches for that they're not covering. It comes back with a list: furnace maintenance timing, energy efficiency upgrades, common thermostat mistakes. You hand them a roadmap of 10 articles to write next. That's a $200 audit. Most SEO platforms bundle this inside a plan that starts at $150 a month. Third angle, ongoing strategy retainers. A real estate agent wants fresh listing descriptions and market update captions every week. You set up a NotebookLM vault with their past listings and local market data. Every Monday, you feed it the new listings. You ask for hooks. You deliver by Tuesday morning. They pay you $400 a month. Platforms with automated content suggestions charge the same amount just to access the tool. Your version includes the actual work. And listen, if you haven't already dropped a like, and if you're serious about building a real service business using free tools like this one, my course. The $435 mistake is normally $197. Right now, viewers of this video get it for under $30. It's linked in the description. That pricing is only there for people coming from this video. Grab it while it's showing, drop a comment and let me know if you're heading over to take me up on that. And if you want to see what my day looks like now, that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Here's what that looks like in practice. A personal trainer runs a small gym. She posts on Instagram, but the content feels disconnected from what she actually offers. You sit down with her for 30 minutes. You upload her service menu, client testimonials, and a few past posts into NotebookLM. You ask it to generate 20 hooks around transformation stories, workout myths, and nutrition basics, all framed in her tone. She takes those hooks and schedules them across the next month. 2 weeks later, she tells you 3 people booked intro sessions because a specific post resonated. You didn't write custom copy from scratch. You let the vault do the pattern recognition. She paid you $250 for the setup. The key is understanding that NotebookLM isn't replacing your judgment. It's replacing the research phase. The part where you normally spend an hour reading through a client's materials, trying to figure out what their voice sounds like and what angles matter. The vault handles that in 5 minutes. You still decide which hooks to use, how to tweak them, and when to post. But the heavy cognitive lift, figuring out what's worth saying in the first place, that's automated. Okay, I promised you something at the start of this video. Here it is. The difference between hooks that clients ignore and hooks they actually post comes down to one thing: specificity without jargon. When you ask NotebookLM for social media hooks, don't just say, "Give me 10 hooks." Say, "Give me 10 hooks that explain the benefit of this service to someone who's never heard of it, using simple language a neighbor would understand with no industry terms." That instruction changes everything. The output stops sounding like a marketing textbook and starts sounding like a real person explaining why something matters. That's what clients pay for, not ideas. Execution, they can use immediately. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once you have this running in your stack. You're not spending hours researching client industries or drafting content from a blank page. You're feeding the vault, asking the right questions, and delivering polished material in a fraction of the time. The clients see faster turnarounds. You keep more of what they pay you because the tool costs you nothing. And every new client you onboard just becomes another notebook in your system. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I'll reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.